Welcome. In front of me is HONOR X16 PRO MagicBook, and in this video I'm going to show you how to boot this laptop from USB. In order to do this, you'll have to connect a bootable USB flash drive to your device using a USB port, any USB port you have on your PC. Then turn on your laptop by pressing the power key once and start pressing F12 button repeatedly after that until the boot menu appears on your screen. So press power button and start pressing F12 button until you see boot menu on your screen. In boot menu you can navigate using down and up arrow keys, select any item using enter, and if you want to exit, press escape. So in order to use your boot your device from USB, select USB device, press enter and wait until your device boots into USB using your bootable USB flash drive. And as you can see, I'm successfully booted into my USB flash drive. I'm gonna exit this menu since I don't need it now, but that's basically how you boot your device into USB. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.